Hello? Hello? Oh, hey, my name's Alex. I'm gonna be your guide for your first week here. So, anyways, welcome to Mike's Mine. We're actually the second night guard here, believe it or not. Before you, we had a robot to actually take care of the job you're working right now, but someone who we still haven't identified yet broke him into pieces. Thus, we had to hire an actual guard, which ended up being you. Anyways, that aside, on to the important stuff. The mobs. They're pretty strange during the night. They attack anyone they see, but during day, they're just gone. Nobody's seen them in the day shift. It's really weird. By the way, you can watch them on that camera tablet next to you. Now, on that tablet, there's a lot of stuff you can do, but now you only need to worry about the music box. You can play the music box on either the right or the left hallways, but you can't play it on both at the same time. Also, if you play the music box for too long, it'll run out of power, and when it does, you'll have to wait a bit for it to recharge. So remember to always stop it when you don't need it. The music box only affects the skeleton and the wither skeleton for some reason. I'm not sure why, but they're really scared of it. It must be an audio frequency in it or something that hurts their ears. So, if you see one of them in the hallway, just play the music box there. They should go away after a few seconds. Anyway, I think that's it for tonight. I'll see you tomorrow when we go to that ramen noodle shop. I'll be buying, so don't worry. Anyways, good night, and good luck, my friend.